guys, it's Jennifer Elizabeth with Perry Piccolo's Vlogs. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today's video is going to be a Dollar Tree haul, and I am so excited to be filming this video for you guys today. I went to Dollar Tree and found so many new awesome Christmas items. I got new items from their new fairy garden, as well as the Christmas village, and lots of other new items as well. So this is going to be a really fun haul, and I must say I love the irony of this. Here we are looking at a Christmas decoration with a whole backdrop of Halloween. But that is the way the retail world is. That is the way the Dollar Tree world goes, especially because if I don't get it now and show it now, it'll be gone and nobody will have an opportunity to see it or get it or things like that. And I definitely won't get an opportunity to get it because it'll be sold. Without further ado, let's get into this haul. How adorable is this cute little dog that I got? Okay, I just think he is so cute. Can I just tell you guys that Dollar Tree is really going all out this year with their pet aisle. They had an entire end cap dedicated to gifts for pets and Santa Paws, please stop here. I believe in Santa Paws. Adorable little paw print ornaments and decor. So many things for our fur babies and for pet lovers. So very exciting. Definitely go to Dollar Tree, and definitely when you're in Dollar Tree, keep an eye out for that because there were so many really cute items for yourself as well as for gifts for people because everybody loves buying items for their pets and celebrating. Okay, so funny. So every time you guys, every few frames, every like minute or two, you're probably seeing the dog in a new place. That's because Gianni keeps grabbing him from the table because he's absolutely in love with him, and he has already claimed this adorable little dog as his own. But yeah, awesome decor. This guy is so cute. Gianni already claimed him, so he's going on Gianni's bureau tonight. And this Dollar Tree haul might be a little bit all over the place because I do have Gianni here with me right now as I'm filming. So yeah, I'm going to do the best I can. So bear with me through this one. All right, now I'm going to start by showing you the pieces to the Christmas village that I got. Oh my goodness, they updated the pieces and they are just awesome. I love it. They all light up. They're all LED. So let me show you. Pull out the little tab right here and we're going to turn it on. How cute is that red truck? I don't know if you can see it lit up. If you can see it lit up, but it's really cute. Even the headlights light up. This one is lit as well. You can't see it with the camera and the lights, but every time I pull it off camera, it is lit up. So how cute is that now? So they also have this right here, which is a camper to go with the red truck. How cute is that? And they actually mirrored this exact thing in the fairy garden pieces as well, which are porcelain. So those are beautiful. Now I'm going to pull out the tab on this one as well and see it light up. Oh my goodness, so cute. I love it. I love that they did the LEDs this year in these because last year I kept turning over the little pieces the past couple years thinking that there was a light switch, a way to turn them on, but there was no light switch. So this year they definitely included a light switch, which is awesome. So I got these three buildings right here. I got the cobblestone candy shop, the church, and the fire station. They did have a couple of other ones as well. But I just have so many different pieces for my Christmas village and for my fairy gardens and things like that I was trying to be conservative and just get a few. But definitely keep an eye out for my short videos and even my walkthroughs because I did show the entire collection in my walkthroughs as well as I'll be uploading some more shorts that have them in there. So yeah, so I'll definitely be uploading more shorts and I have a lot of short videos that show the full collections as well as the walkthrough. But now, oh, look at this, so pretty over here too. I'm gonna light these ones up and we will see what they look like. Okay, so there's the church. And see, this is what I meant. Like last year they had this, but they didn't have any of this. So it looked like there was a way to put a switch, but there was no switch. So here's the candy store. Now that it is lit up. It's just hard to see because I have the lights on. I'm going to turn off the lights in a second. And then there's this one right here, which is the fire station. Now, let me go turn off the lights so you can see what they look like all lit up. Okay, so I didn't turn off all the lights, but I turned off a few, but you can definitely see them a lot better now. So there's that. So we have the buildings all lit up, and then you can see the camper as well as the truck, and both of its lights are working. Super, super cool. So those are the pieces that I got for the Christmas village. Now let's move on to the fairy garden, and I'm going to turn the lights back on as well. Okay. Oh my goodness. Look at this. This is the red truck. How amazing and gorgeous is this? And let me tell you, it is heavy. So it's not like a little light flimsy piece. This is really nice ceramic. And let me turn on the light to show you. Oh my goodness, it's like blue. It turns color. Look at that. That is awesome. So it blinks different colors. Again, I'm going to turn off the lights at the end so you can see what they all look like. But that is awesome. Now let me grab the camper for you. And this camper, I must say, I love the truck, but the camper is absolutely stunning. And I love how they painted it. I don't know if it was supposed to look all streamed like that, like it's distressed, but I think it looks super cool. I think it adds just to the whole feeling of the camper and the truck. So yeah, again, with the tree on top, there's a little hitch, and turn it on. Oh my goodness, so cute. Same blinking lights. Now again, there were a ton of buildings. I picked 3. I love this one. Look how cute this is with the little snowman. I just thought that was so precious. And again, these are really, they're solid. I mean, these are not as solid and thick as the trucks, but they're still pretty well made, I must say. And to have LED lights and things like that is just amazing. So the only thing is with the buildings, they have the switch, but you have to put the batteries in themselves. So that is the only thing that I did not like. Hopefully they they fixed that for next year, but still they gave us the option to light them. I'm still going to show you all the pieces, and then we'll turn off the lights again for a second. So beautiful though. Look at this piece. I love it. Here's this one. I had to get it because it's got Santa outside, and I love the pink on the top as well. So beautiful. In the back of the house, and look, you can even see the texture of the cobblestones there for the bricks, and the texture of the shingles. So very, very well made for $1.25. I mean, it's amazing. And this one too, another church. And I love that they have the carolers out there. And you can see the texture of the bricks, shingles. Now there's one more piece I got. I should say one more big piece. I also got a couple of the little figurines, but look at this. This is beautiful. And I gotta tell you, this is solid. It is heavy. So definitely well made. This does not light up, but it's beautiful. But now I'm gonna move them, and I'll show you what they look like with some of the studio lights off. Oh my God, that's already, you can see it, but hold on, let me turn off this one too. So absolutely gorgeous. So guys, run out to Dollar Tree now if you haven't already and scoop these up, because they are not going to last. They're just so beautiful. So those are the bigger fairy garden pieces. Like I said, I have a couple of figurines to share with you, and then a few more items in this haul. So give me a second to turn back on the lights, and I will be right back. Okay. Next couple of fairy garden pieces. The little figurines. How cute are these? The little reindeer and the little polar bear. Actually, that might even be a puppy. It's either a polar bear or a puppy. But still, so adorable. Then I got these guys right here, which are the cute little mice. How cute are they? Look at them. So adorable. Trying to show you all the angles, because I know with the plastic covering on there, it might be a little bit of a glare, but those are adorable. And then we also have these guys here, which are so cute. The reindeer with the antlers. So those are all the pieces for the Fairy Garden and Christmas Village sets from this year that I got. So now let me show you some awesome stickers and then a really cute DIY arts and crafts item that I got, as well as a couple of cosmetic items. So yeah, definitely hit the jackpot on this haul. And like, also I want to say that not every time I go into Dollar Tree, I have an amazing store with tons and tons of items. Sometimes I have to go to several stores and I leave stores with just one or two items. This particular store had just set up for Christmas, so everything was out. And what I'm noticing, I don't know if you guys are noticing this, but what I'm noticing is, again, this is my area, but let me know in the comments if you're noticing this as well. The bigger cities seem to have their stuff all set up. Like the cities, the places that I normally would not go, I normally would go to like the little suburb stores. They just have empty shelves. They just, I don't know why, but in my area, it's like the stores that are the closest to me, for the most part, they have a lot of empty shelves. And then when I go to these random stores that are closer to the city or actually in the cities, I hit the jackpot. So I don't know if it's just the luck of the draw or what it is, but thankfully my store closest to me and the other 3 stores that I go to often are definitely starting to catch up. But sometimes it might be worth it, if you can, of course, to go a little bit further, possibly to like a bigger city in your area to get things, because I'm just noticing, I don't know if it's staffing or if it's because those are like they're more profitable stores. So maybe I don't know how it works, but definitely that's the pattern that I have noticed. And it's happened to me actually 2 or 3 times already that I've noticed this season. So just a little FYI, and let me know if you guys are noticing that as well. But definitely, guys, don't be discouraged, because I'm running into a lot of empty shelves too. Tons and tons of boxes, no employees on the store, and empty shelves. It's just right now, unfortunately, I think it's just what's happening. Hopefully it gets turned around, but yeah. Don't lose hope. Just keep trying, because eventually you're going to go into the store and it will be stocked, or you're going to go to a store and they just set everything up and you're going to hit the jackpot. So don't be discouraged. But now let me show you some more items that I got on this haul. Okay, I found this one this year. I know that there are a ton of these and I hauled a bunch last year. I think this one is new. Maybe I just didn't see it, or maybe I hauled it and I forgot, but I think it's beautiful. I think I would remember the red glitter for some reason. That looks new. But this is just so cute, and it comes with the different paints, the green, white, and red, so you can paint it however you like. A lot of times these paints don't work that well. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. A lot of times I'll add just markers and different things like that, but these are definitely adorable. They had a ton of different varieties, but I got the red truck because I thought it was really cool, and I love the glitter. Okay, I found these stickers. Oh my goodness, how adorable are these gnomes? I haven't seen these before in any of the stores. I think this is a new pack of stickers. And if you hear, like I said, if you hear anything in the background, that is Gianni. 11 piece. How cute are these? And they had another one. So I got 2 of those. And then they had another package of gnome stickers, which is right here. And these are the bigger gnomes. And this is a 14 piece with the snowflakes. What? You like them?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right. So yeah, so we got that as well. Gianni says hi. And now, yes, he's doing Play-Doh. Okay. So now let me show you a couple more stickers. Oh my goodness, how adorable are these? Look at these. So, so cute. Santa and Mrs. Claus and the reindeer, the presents, joy, 14 piece. Sorry if my hand is shaking. But how beautiful is that? And these are actually puffy too. They don't say puffy, but there's definitely, they're definitely raised. So those are awesome. I got 2 of each of these. This pattern right here as well. So cute. Oh my goodness. And look at those adorable little penguins. I love the detail. This is an 11 piece. This one as well. Look at that. The car and just Santa. I just love it. So cute. And I know there is one more print. And then this one is the last print. So cute. So lots of different varieties I'm seeing in the stores. There were not a ton of these out, but it definitely did take up a good part of the end cap. So when you see the stickers, grab them, because I have not seen these in other stores, and I have a feeling that for the amount that they're getting in a box, maybe only like I don't know. It doesn't look like there's a ton of sheets in the box because even though they take up a whole couple of rows, there's only a few of each one out. So if you see the stickers and it's something that you like, I recommend getting them and getting multiples and getting more than one if it's something that you really, really like, because you might not find it again in another store. So that is it for Christmas, but I'm going to show you a couple of cosmetic items that I got. This is a repeat from last year, but absolutely love it. The lip balm, Cranberry Cheer, and it has, it's hydrating, nourishing vitamin E. That's awesome, especially this time of year. And I got the sweater weather as well. So those two, and then there was a whole pre-pack. I did show the pre-pack in my walkthrough of these, a lot of lip scrubs and overnight lip scrub and things like that. But look at this, rose infused lip oil by Be Pure. I did pick up 2 of these, one for myself and then one for my 600 subscriber giveaway, which I'm going to be doing very, very soon. I'm so excited. I'm so close to 600. Thank you so much, everyone. I really appreciate it. I'm hoping to get to 600 very soon, so that way I can show you guys the rest of the items that I have put aside for my 600 subscriber giveaway. But thank you so much. That does conclude today's Dollar Tree haul. Let me know what your favorite items are, and let me know if you guys are seeing the same stuff in your stores as well, and if you're noticing the same patterns that I'm noticing. So please don't forget to comment down below, like the video, hit the subscribe button and the post notification bell so you know next time I upload and every time I upload. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.